Doesn't want it. You didn't sell it.
Well, we're going to try and save you the tax.
We'll see how she goes.
But we're here. We're signing paperwork. It's not a hoax. There's the winner right there.
Finally.
And we're going to get this all transferred up. Probably not film inside there. That's proof that we're getting paperwork done. And then, oh, I got to ask you your skill testing question.
Oh, shit.
What's 69 times 69? No, I'm just kidding. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
Oh my God. You won a snowmobile. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, let's get this thing signed and then we'll get back to the house and get ready to ride tomorrow.
Yeah, let's get her done.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, Kenneth. We start recording now, sir.
Prepare to be entertained.
Yeah, prepare to be entertained. And then, so today, Kenneth is gonna join me, and Zach's behind the camera right now. We're gonna tinfoil some Zach. He's got the turbo shredder today, so we're gonna get some shots of that. Caden's pickup truck fell apart on the highway, so that's why he's not here today. So Caden, we'll have fun with that. It's okay. It's gonna be sunny and stuff, but don't worry about it. I'm not trying to make you jealous at all. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go with like, should I go with a pep and a pineapple? Ham and pineapple? Or should I go 2 ham and pineapples?
Variety is the spice of life.
Variety is the spice of life, but since Kenneth doesn't like pineapples on pizza, I guess that's what it takes to be a snowmobile winner. You have to eat fucking pineapple. That's right. But this is gonna taste so good. You know, I know this because I've already done this year. Get in there. So the beautiful thing about a Polaris Matrix that everyone is going to be jealous of forever and ever is this giant ass storage compartment. You can fucking smuggle cocaine with this thing. That thing is huge. Like, look at all the room. Let's go. Got the new brake lever on, thanks to Whiskey Throttle Power Sports. I think we said it right. They have a rip-off brand also. Oh yeah, that's right. We have the little pouch here. We'll get Kenneth to show us. Package of chicken bites. All right, well, yeah, the trucks are warming up. Nora's got to go to the doggy daycare. Come here. What are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Say hi, I'm cute. I'm very cute. All right, Ken dog. First time starting her. Oh, it's gonna be a good day.
Made it to the parking lot. Ken dog. Looks like a sled bro now. He's got the shades. Hood on. Get this truck fucking. Yeah. Man, I'm gonna fart all day. It's gonna be great. How you feeling, buddy?
I'm excited.
Great. Yep. Look at this. Ken dog. Okay, we got most of our stuff ready. It's only about like what, 9:30? A little bit later. We're doing good. We're doing good. Ken's like geared up, man. You were full sled bro before you even knew you were a full sled bro.
I was. I retired 5 years ago.
Fell already? Atta boy. Feels pretty good though, eh? Let's go. Look at this go. buddy.
Fun though.
Dude. Oh, I forgot I had your tunnel bag on the back.
That's all good.
Here I am whipping shitties.
That's what it's there for.
Should we keep going up the road?
Yeah, might as well just keep going. No, we can play meadow all the way up.
We'll do one more lap in here. Oh, you broke through the ice. Huh? Yeah, you broke through the ice. He broke through. Oh no, you broke it.
What the fuck?
Oh, yo, that's broken as fuck. Oh.
Holy fuck.
Oh shit, we should have leveled that out when you first fell over.
Oh, you stabbed into the ice. Holy fuck. There we go.
Here. Oh my god, is it okay?
A
Yeah, we can
little
bend that
wonky,
back.
but it'll be okay.
Oh, dude, you're lucky. I thought we were fucked. Oh, okay, no more carving on lakes. Okay, let's pull it forward a bit.
Bring it up on this side. There you go. It's spun the ski loop more than anything. Yeah. This is just loose here, I think. Yep.
At least you're going for it.
Yeah. I told you I was gonna.
All right, buddy. Go rip her up. Giveaway winner going for a ride. Oh, we got fucked off. That thing sounds mean. Yeah, buddy. Found some snow. I think over that way too, we'll have some nice stuff. We'll go that way first. Yeah, let's put this on and then ride down that way. Get out of the wind and then eat down there.
Yeah. I can't hear it.
Oh. I think that's gonna be where it is. I just burnt my knuckles on it. So the exhaust.
Now we're out of the wind.
Yeah, let's go get that good stuff, hey buddy. Get the good. Look at that thing. Bad ass. Hold on again. Really. So stay on my track. Yeah. Okay, time to cook this pizza up the same route. Oh my god. How the fuck?
smell the pizza yet, so that's... Oh no. No fucking way! I thought I was done there! Cooking it up! Smells like cooked za. Yeah. Okay. Get this nice hot za out.
I don't know what to say now.
Whenever you're ready, sport.
Alright, bro. Ridefastcrew.com. Wouldn't have made it without you guys. Shout out. Fucking, now I got a deadly sled. You should get some gear. This could be you.
I don't know, just go over what you said, but say it in a different way.
That's right. Bought myself a hat and a shirt and some stickers, sweater, sweatpants, and ended up getting a sled. Go shop ridefastcrew.com. Bought a t-shirt, a couple of hats, you know, won a sled. This is pretty prime conditions right now. Anders, awesome. Huge shout out to you, my guy. Now I'm hooked, and I'm gonna be spending so much more money than I thought. Clothing and get this shit.
Yeah, there we go. That's the spirit. What do you say, Kenneth? Well, that about wraps up this year's giveaway. Way more successful than the last one. The last giveaway winner I didn't get to ride with or get much videos or photos proof that he won it, really. And we're up here. It was a beautiful day up in the microwave in Smithers, BC. Thank you to the Smithers Snowmobile Association for grooming this trail. It was nice and smooth on the way up. And yeah, Kenneth has got to go home. He's got to take the beast with him.
Yeah, park here in the shop.
Congrats, Kenneth.
Very much, man.
You can ride this thing like a boss already. I can't wait to go for a ride with you next year, the end of this year.
It's gonna be good.
And that's a wrap, people. We did her. We did her. Wow. Wow, let's quit the fancy thing. All right, buddy, drive safe. Let me know when you make her, eh? There she goes. Just dirt nasty. Shades and all. Just sup. What's up, what's up? Damn, that thing's nice.
Yeah, it is.
No better place like home. Right in the back of the sled. Truck, whatever. I'm tired. We are done.